Hey everyone! The Aferiy P280 enters a crowded and highly competitive portable power station market at a time when buyers are increasingly questioning whether they truly need to pay premium prices for established names like Anker Solix, Bluetti, or EcoFlow. With a current street price of under $700. At the heart of the Aferiy P280 is a 2048 watt-hours LiFePO4 battery pack. The use of LFP chemistry is an important detail because it offers improved thermal stability, longer cycle life, and better long-term durability compared to older lithium-ion technologies. On paper, this immediately elevates the P280 into the same technical category as many premium competitors. The 2 kilowatt-hour capacity makes it suitable not only for camping and road trips, but also for emergency home backup scenarios. It has enough stored energy to run appliances such as refrigerators, CPAP machines, power tools, and even small kitchen devices for meaningful periods of time. The inverter is rated at up to 2800 watt, which is more than sufficient for most household electronics and many high-draw devices. With 13 output ports, including 3 AC outlets, USB-A, USB-C, DC outputs, and other standard connections, the P280 provides versatility that rivals higher-priced units. In real-world use, the AC output proved stable and capable. Efficiency is always a key metric in portable power stations, and in practical testing, the Aferiy P280 delivered about 77% usable energy from the charged battery when running AC loads. While not class-leading, this figure is within an acceptable range for this capacity class and price bracket. Charging efficiency from mains power was also solid, with reasonable recharge times that make the unit practical for repeated use during extended trips or outages. However, performance under heavy load reveals one of the P280's compromises. When pushed toward its upper output limits, the cooling system becomes noticeably loud. The internal fans ramp up aggressively, producing a level of noise that could be distracting in quiet indoor environments or at night in a camper. For users planning to run high-wattage appliances frequently, this acoustic profile is something to consider. The inclusion of UPS functionality is another strong point. The ability to provide uninterruptible power to connected devices during an outage enhances the P280's appeal as a home backup solution, particularly for networking equipment or desktop workstations. Where the Aferiy P280 stumbles most noticeably is in software integration. The iOS app failed to properly control the unit remotely during testing, a significant issue that stands out especially when compared to the polished ecosystems offered by larger brands. The chassis feels robust, and the overall construction suggests durability. While long-term reliability cannot be fully judged in short-term testing, the use of LFP cells and the manufacturer's 7-year warranty inspire some confidence. A warranty of this length is uncommon at this price point and indicates that Aferiy is attempting to compete not only on cost, but also on perceived longevity. In the end, the Aferiy P280 represents a compelling value proposition. It delivers high capacity, strong inverter output, solid efficiency, and durable battery chemistry at a price significantly below many established competitors. It is not flawless. Fan noise under load and underwhelming app performance are real drawbacks, but for buyers prioritizing raw performance and battery capacity over brand prestige and software polish, the P280 is surprisingly competitive. It demonstrates that a lesser-known brand can indeed offer a capable alternative without demanding a premium price. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.